Welcome back to the channel. In this Photoshop tutorial you will learn how to design a classy restaurant menu poster with clean layout and appetizing visuals. Open an A4 vertical document and add a warm textures background. Insert food photos in circular frames and add a dark overlay behind the menu sections. Type the restaurant name in elegant fonts. Add sections for starters, mains, and desserts. Use gold or beige color for luxury. Include price page beside each item. Add your logo and contact info. Use icons for line in delivery and location. And apply shadows for 3D depths. Balance spacing and readability.